Hello, this is Eric, Lonestar Acoustics, and today I want to highlight an installation we finished up with acoustic paneling here in Dallas. With this particular facility, it's a Montessori school, so we have a lot of kiddos in these different rooms. And this particular room used to be like a little gym area, so it had a really tall ceiling, a lot of hard reflective surfaces from the floor to the walls to the ceiling. So as you can see with this view of us tackling one of the walls here, we put in an assortment of panels, different colors that complemented their colors. With the focal point, we did an art panel, actually two of them that, when pushed together, makes a really pretty floral display. And then we used the ivory, the pewter, and then some kind of lighter navy blue for the other panels. But it turned out really nice. As you walk in, that's what you see right there. And then around the room, there's a panoramic view. Basically, we tried to cover as much area as we could with these panels so that the echo is reduced, and if the kids are playing or maybe one gets upset, it's not as loud. So we would love to help you out as well. Lone Star Acoustics, and again, our number is 972-787-0808, sales at lonestaracoustics.com.